Is everything on? I think everything is on, right? Oh. Alright guys, welcome to my room. So today's video is going to be all about hair. Straight hair, long hair, curly hair, thin hair, because it's not very thick at all, but we're just going to talk about hair. I have posted recently, a couple days ago, on a TikTok video on my Facebook, me doing the JLo challenge. Go check it out if you haven't yet. A lot of women particularly had DM'd me in regards of my hair. And that video was down, it was, you know, done and everything, and they were like, how did you get your hair that long? What did you do? What's your secret? There's no secret because I'm gonna tell you anyways, but this is stuff that I do to get my hair. I have gotten my hair this long in about, I don't know, 3 years or something like that. I used to have actually really short hair before. I cut it 3 years ago, pretty short. I know it was recent, but not that recent, you know what I mean? I don't have a lot of pictures because I deleted a lot of my pictures before, so I will post one picture right now. This is my Instagram picture, I think a couple years ago. Don't mind the picture, I was flexing, just showing progress of the gym, but that's how short my hair was. I did write everything down on my phone just to keep notes. First, step 1. Do not wash your hair every day. I know a lot of people who wash their hair every single day. And it drives me nuts, and their hair gets dry and they're like, why is my hair so dry? And why is my hair not growing? Because you're washing your hair every day. If you wash your hair every day, you're actually stripping all the oils, your natural oils that your hair produces, to nourish your hair and moisturize your hair and all that jazz. Do not wash your hair every day. It's not good for your hair. Do not do it. 2, invest in trims. Even if you can't go to the hair salon, especially right now, to get hair trims, you can do it yourself. I do my own hair trims myself. I don't really trust a lot of people to do my hair, so I just do it myself. Very easy, usually just straight across. Sometimes I add a little angles in the front. You can go on YouTube, they can show you how to cut your hair on there, show demonstrations. There's billions of videos on YouTube to do so. But yes, invest in hair trims. And the reason why, you're probably going to be like, oh well, why are you going to cut your hair? What's the point of cutting it? Because then it's going to be short anyways. False. Okay? False. The reason why you want to cut your hair is because if you don't cut your hair, you don't trim your ends, your dead ends are going to continue to split your hair all the way up, all the way up, all the way up, and then eventually when you finally decide to cut your hair, when your hair is fried and brittled and shriveled, you're gonna have to cut your hair short anyway. So just do a little bit of trimming here and there every 6 weeks, they say. I do mine ever so often. Sometimes when I'm bored, I'll just just to keep everything nice and clean. But yeah, invest in hair trims. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. Third, hair masks. Now, you can buy some hair masks or you can make some your own. I actually have one that I particularly like. This is the Shea Moisture Hydrated Repair Protein Power Treatment. It has manuka, honey, and yogurt. That's the one that I like to use. I use this about maybe once a week, maybe twice a week, depending on how my hair is feeling or looking this particular week. Mine is kind of looking kind of dry. Maybe I should do this later. We'll do that later. You can also do another hair mask. This one is just a little bit more oily, so make sure you wash your hair at least twice after you do it. But this is the coconut oil. I get mine at Aldi's. You want all natural organic coconut oil, and then I use castor oil. Don't judge the bottle. Don't judge it, please. I sat on it before filming this. Don't judge. Anyways, castor oil. You want to do that. And I usually do this about once every 2 weeks, sometimes even once a week. My hair is naturally oily, so I try not to do it as much because then I'll look like a grease ball. But yeah, try doing these as well. I'm a firm believer that this helped my hair grow doing these because it's good for your hair. It makes it nice and shiny. My hair has been really shiny lately ever since I've been doing this, and I've been doing that for a couple years now. I say about 2 years, and you can get them anywhere. Like I said, I got this at Aldi's, and then I got the castor oil. I think I ordered it on Amazon because I'm lazy. Another thing that you can also do now, I learned this about this product on YouTube from this one video. I forgot her name. I'll link it down below the video that showed me about this. But this is the Hesh Amla powder. This is made from gooseberries, and it's a powdered form, and you just only need a little bit at a time. But it's a powder, and what I'll do is when I do the castor oil and the coconut oil, I'll throw a little bit of this in there and put that in my hair, and I'll focus it all on my scalp through my the ends of my hair. You don't want to do this. Please do not do this to your hair. Don't do it. You cause split ends and friction, and just don't do it. What I would do is that after I put everything in my hair, I would flip my head upside down, so you go, you know, like this, and massage with your fingertips, not your nails, fingertips, and massage this upside down. It will help stimulate the blood flow to your head and help growth, which I'm a firm believer in that too. I might say that a lot about firm believer because I'm telling you everything that I am saying here. I truly believe that this all helped my hair grow and be as in the great shape that it is now. Because yeah, next thing, you want to invest in a good shampoo conditioner. I like Shea Moisture a lot. I use them a lot. So these are what I use right here. This one's the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Shampoo. And then this one is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner, and has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I like using these two. These are my favorites right now at the moment. I don't really spend a lot of money on really expensive hair products, which I probably can, but these have worked for me. I'm not gonna sit there and spend a great amount of money on shampoo conditioner. I mean, I would advise on getting a good shampoo conditioner, but you do want to get a good shampoo conditioner, one that's very hydrating. Though my hair is very oily, I like to use a hydration. What is all this noise? Quiet! Oh, I also do co-washing. I don't wash my hair with shampoo all the time. I like to co-wash, and what I like to use is the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. It smells so good, love it. And I'll tend to do this more like co-wash than actually wash my hair. I'll say I wash my hair maybe once a week with shampoo. And then I'll co-wash the rest of the remainder of the week. So I usually do my hair maybe twice a week. I'll wash it, so once with shampoo and then once with the co-wash. You don't want to overdo it because you don't want to strip your oils of your hair. Again, when I say about shampooing your hair every day, if you want to wash your hair maybe every day, maybe you can invest in doing co-washing. But yeah, you don't want to do it too much. Another thing that I like to also use when my hair is curly. Now, I do have curly hair. I tend to straighten it more because I don't like to put too much product in my hair. I like to do less products as much as possible. So when I do wear my hair curly, you know, which is really rare because like I said, I will use the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Kids Curling Buttercream. It makes your curls feel so soft. I discovered this from My Life as Ava on YouTube. She has really curly hair, and she uses this, and she, along with some other stuff that she uses, but I only got my hands on this, and I use it alone, and I love it. It makes my hair so soft. My curls are so soft, and I don't think I can ever go back to using gel. I don't like using gel ever. If I would use gel, it would be like the what do you call that? What is it called? I'll figure it out. I'll probably pop a little picture or put it down below. gel. I just don't like using gel in general, okay? I don't really use mousse, I don't use hairspray, I don't use gel. I do have hairspray, but it's really rare if I use it, only if I curl my hair so my curls can hold. Other than that, don't use it. I discovered this a year ago, so I've been doing it for about a year. And it is rice water. What? Rice water? What? What is she talking about? No, yes, rice water. So what you do is you will take about a cup or half a cup of rice. So you can use any kind of rice you want. You can use brown rice, long grain rice, Goya rice, jasmine rice. I like jasmine rice because it's not as funky. You don't want, I mean, your hair is not going to smell after you do it because you're going to wash and do all this stuff anyways. If you want, I can do a demonstration on how to cleanse your hair with rice water. I can do one for you. But basically, it has a lot of minerals and vitamins and everything in the water. And what I like to do is I'll put about a cup or half a cup of rice in a jar with water after washing it a little bit, rinsing it out, and letting it sit overnight. Now you can use the water if you let it sit right after you put in the jar, shake it up, and then use it. I like to use fermented rice water, so letting it sit for 12 to 24 hours because I feel like it's more beneficial for your hair that way. And I've seen a lot of hair growth, which is why I feel like I constantly have to cut my hair because my hair has been constantly growing. I discovered this from an article that I read. Hold on, I got you. The Yao women believe that having long hair is an auspicious sign of good health, good fortune, and longevity. And what they will use is rice water. And I'm gonna give them all the credit for me knowing all this stuff because these women is where all the credit needs to go to. Their hair is super long, so healthy, so shiny, and they're the ones who have been doing it for years in southern China, like years been doing this. A lot of it can be done, daily. You can probably do rice water rinse daily in your hair. I for one do it once every 2 weeks I would do it because my hair is very thin. It's long, but it's not thick at all. It's thin. I have thin hair, but it's a lot of it, if that makes sense. And I felt like it was more drying to my hair than actually helping it. So you have to kind of like play with your hair a little bit and what your hair can tolerate. So I suggest you co-wash your hair first, condition, and then you don't want to shampoo because you're going to strip your hair, make it dry. So co-wash, condition, and then do the rice water rinse and let it sit about 15 minutes. You don't want to rinse it out all the way. I rinse it out with cool water so that way it kind of locks all the vitamins and minerals. It closes your hair shaft, locks everything in, makes it shiny, makes it more beneficial for your hair. If you want to see a demonstration on how you use rice water, just let me know down below. I would definitely demonstrate that for you if that's what you're interested in. Oh, also, hairbrush. I got this at Walmart. It's the Michelle. I'll link it down below, the hairbrush that I use. I've been using it for 5 years. The best hairbrush I've ever used. And you want to invest in a wide tooth comb as well. You don't want to use those other crappy hairbrushes that can rip your hair. I'll link those hairbrushes and combs down below. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you can, if you want to. I'm not gonna beg you, but it'll be nice. I would highly, very much so appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like it. I want to know. I would love to know. I'm not gonna be upset about it. And then if you don't like it, kind of tell me why. Then maybe I can fix something. Let me know. I'm good with constructive criticism. Let me know. I hope this is very helpful for you guys. Please let me know if this works out, or please let me know if you decide to use any of these products or do any of these hair masks. And yeah, I think that's it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.